Welcome to this Learn Animal Explainer. Hit that subscribe button right now and let's play.
Check out this shadow on the savannah. What animal is this?
You got it. It's a lion. That's a super mighty roar.
Ooh, sneaking through the jungle. Tell me, what animal is this?
Amazing job. It's a tiger. Look at all those cool stripes.
Wow, this one is incredibly tall. So what animal is this?
Spot on. It's a giraffe reaching way up high for some tasty leaves.
Swinging happily through those vines. Can you guess? What animal is this? Brilliant! It's a monkey having the best time ever up there. Chilling out in the bamboo forest. Do you know what animal is this? That's absolutely right. It's a panda happily munching away. Standing proud in the snowy woods. Let's hear, what animal is this? Awesome! It's a wolf singing right to the moon. Splashing around in the sparkling ocean waves? Who knows? What animal is this? Fantastic. It's a dolphin making a massive, colorful splash. Big and strong in the deep rainforest, what animal is this? Incredible, it's a gorilla playfully thumping its chest for us. Hopping super fast across the hot outback. Any guesses? What animal is this? Way to go! It's a bouncy kangaroo. Here's our final challenge out in the desert. What animal is this? You nailed it. It's a camel walking over those big sand dunes. You completely crushed this explainer game. So, which amazing animal was your absolute favorite today?